Welcome to another informative session. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll explore some key tactics to make your truck tires last longer. Whether you manage a fleet or you're an individual trucker, this is for you. We'll delve into practical use, maintenance suggestions, and the importance of a good maintenance plan. We'll also introduce you to a game changer, the CMMS, or computerized maintenance management system. So, stick around to learn how to get the most out of your truck tires and save in the long run. Are you looking to make your truck tires last longer? Whether you're managing a fleet or just an individual trucker, we've got some tips and tricks for you. In the past, you had to choose between tires that saved on fuel costs or tires that lasted longer. But now that line has been blurred, so the question remains: how can you best maintain and care for your tires for the long haul? Let's start with some practical use and maintenance suggestions. The first piece of advice is to use the right tires for your truck's specific needs. A truck making a lot of short stops in a city has different tire needs than long-haul trucks that cross the majority of the country. But it's not just about picking the right tires. It's also about the little things that can make your truck tires last longer. Things like proper tire alignment, a simple visual evaluation of your tires, learning from old tires, and optimizing your day-to-day tasks can all make a significant difference. Of course, having a routine maintenance plan in place is crucial. Regular, scheduled maintenance is key to making truck tires last longer. Now, you might be wondering what types of maintenance we're talking about here. Well, every fleet and individual trucker has different maintenance methods for their truck tires. But generally, these fall into 4 categories: preventative maintenance, corrective maintenance, routine maintenance, and periodic maintenance. And sometimes other maintenance strategies form different parts of a fleet or trucker's maintenance plan. So why do these types of maintenance matter? Well, they act like mile markers. These markers help you and your maintenance crews keep track of your maintenance. But let's be honest, there are a lot of small factors in any overall plan. That's where a CMMS, or computerized maintenance management system, comes into play. Using top CMMS software can revolutionize your fleet maintenance process. It can help with better cost tracking, data reporting, maintenance scheduling, and remote sharing of work orders. These systems free up your crews and staff from keeping track of all these variables and enable them to do what they do best. So, if you want to make your truck tires last longer, remember these tips. Use the right tires, pay attention to the small things, have a routine maintenance plan, and consider using a CMMS. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to getting the most out of your truck tires. Thank you for watching. To recap, we've covered practical use and maintenance suggestions, the importance of a routine maintenance plan, and the benefits of a CMMS. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, the right maintenance strategy can make your truck tires last longer and save you money in the long run.